Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about a useful and helpful AI tool that lets you create different types of websites, landing pages, and you can easily create different types of content. This tool is developed by Meta team, so that already has developed Facebook. Here you can go and type Manus IM. This is the website. You can also type this one. You can open it, and now here you can see you can create different type of slides, presentations. You can build websites, you can develop apps, you can create different type of designs. Now here I can type create a landing page for digital marketing agency website, enable website design. You can also type more instructions. After that, press enter. Now you need to create a free account. You can easily create your account with Microsoft, as well as you can create account with Apple, and simply click on sign up button. And here you can see these are the packages. So let me click here. So in first package you will get 4000 credits per month, and in the second package you will get 8000 credits per month. So this one is the annual package. You will save 17%. If you select this one, these are the monthly packages. Now let me close this one, and after that click here. Now it has started working on it, so we need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, this is done. Here you can see this one is the source code that is generated. After that you can preview it. You can export this one source code, source file from here. Click here, preview button, and after that you can open it in new tab. Okay, here you can see this looks amazing. Now we can scroll down. So this one is the professional landing page for marketing agency website. If I click here, so it is linked with different sections. Now you can easily create different type of websites using this tool.